want to make a small and short announcement. Tipra Motha is officially in presence of all our senior leaders, MDCs, also with Vijay Ramphal-ji, Mana, Vishwajit Kaloy, Gurupada, Anthony, and all our young friends who have just joined in from Atisa, who have merged with us, and our youth leaders. We are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth Tipra Federation, YTF. This youth front will be not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, but will also have its units anywhere.
And the announcement will be made by His Highness Maharaj, the Chairman of Tripura Motha. May I call upon the Chairman of Tripura Motha to come to the meeting.
Say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media. But at that time, he was a party member of another organization. And they were told to take a party position against me. But being a Gobagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So, it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone. We have to give everyone opportunity. So I am very happy that Pitor and his entire team have come and joined. They will be accommodated. They would be given respectable positions. And our commitment is for Greater Tripura land. If there is any questions that you want to ask, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I would also like to congratulate our MDC, Runil Debarma. I would like to congratulate Vishwajit Kaloy. I would like to congratulate Gurupada Debarma. I would like to congratulate Mana, Uma Shankar, who have also been a part of a student organization, who also belong to the youth. This Youth Tipra Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movement, be it of Greater Tripura land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that our future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Tiprasa got education. He never gave up. And today, he is sitting right next to me. He started this movement by trying to educate the Tiprasas. There was a time when there was this boy from Shillong who got inspired by the Tiprasas who were studying there and started helping them. And today is the chairman of Tripura. We are standing in front of him. I believe that if you want to be successful, the motivation, the ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater Tripura land. and I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it,